Hi, welcome to my channel Knowledge Center. Today I am coming with a new video which is all about the heat zones of the earth, the different heat zones. Firstly, why the different heat zones arises on the earth? There are many reasons. The first reason is the shape of the earth. Earth shape is very likely similar to the spherical shape. Due to this, the zones are varies on the earth. And second reason is earth orientation. Earth orientation means its lying, how its position, how it lies in a space. Earth orientation is not exact like a circular, it is not exact like a straight. Its orientation is slanting or tilting towards the sun. Third one is angle of incidence of sunlight on a regions of the earth. Angle of incidence on the regions of the earth. This is the main reason for the classification of heat zones on the earth, because the region which receives the direct sunlight, it has more temperature, it has more heat comparatively than the other places. If the region receives the slanting sunlight, its temperature is very less comparatively the region which receives the direct sunlight. Okay, first come to the classification of zones on the earth based on the temperature or heat. Okay, so there are three zones on the earth. One is the torrid zone, and second one is temperate zone, and third one is frigid zone. Okay, first one is the torrid zone. These classification are classified or raised based on the angle of incidence of sunlight. Angle of incidence of sunlight or the temperature of the regions. Temperature or heat of the region. Heat of the region. Okay. Okay, first one is the torrid zone. What is meant by torrid zone? This is the region, its temperature is very more than the temperate zone and frigid zone. Its temperature is very more than these two. Okay, where it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This region is torrid zone. Why this zone has more temperature? Because this receives the direct sunlight. Because it receives the direct sunlight, means 90 degree. It receives the sunlight at the 90 degree, or angle of incidence of sunlight is 90 degree. So that its temperature, the regional temperature is very more. Okay, next move on to the temperate zone. What is meant by temperate zone? This is the region receives the moderate, or this is the region as moderate temperature. Okay, because here is the, consider here is the sun. Here is a sun. Okay, this region receives the direct sunlight. Okay, so that it is this region is called a torrid zone, or also called very high region, very heated zone on the earth. As we're moving towards from here, as we're moving towards the pole, north pole or else south pole, the orientation of sunlight is slanting. Okay, slanting. Here the angle of incidence is 90 degree. As we're moving towards the pole, angle of incidence is decreases, so that the temperature of these regions which receives the slanting sun rays, is very less comparatively torrid zone than the torrid zone. So that what is meant by temperate zone? This is the region which has a moderate temperature or moderate heat because of the slanting sun rays. Okay, first, next to this, where it lies, temperate zone, where it lies between Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle, in southern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Okay, this is the equator, this is the southern hemisphere, and this is the northern hemisphere. And this region is temperate zone, Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle. And another one is the region which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. This region is also temperate zone. Because why here the two regions? Because these two regions receives the same angle of incidence of sunlight. Okay, slanting sun rays, so that these two regions have a same temperature, same moderate temperature. So called this region as temperate zone. And the final one is frigid zone. Do you observe moving towards the pole, the temperature of the earth decreases. Temperature of the earth or places decreases. Here is a more, here is a very less than this. And if you moving towards the poles, the temperature is very lesser than the temperate zone and torrid zone. Okay. And here also, this is also a frigid zone. Then come to the definition. What is frigid zone? This is the region lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere, and Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere is called frigid zone. This has a very less temperature, very less heat or temperature. Why? Because of the slanting sun rays. This receives the very less amount of sunlight. I hope you are well understanding this concept. And finally, thank you.